What's up, everybody? Here, Ivan. It's been a long time since I did a video, so bear with me. I just got a new laptop for my daughter, so bear with me since I'm learning this new. I'm not really into the laptop lifestyle since I only work on my office on my PC, but I'm trying to learn. I know a lot of gurus and leaders always traveling with their laptop. They're saying the same old school shit that they always. But I don't know if that's vacation or working. I don't know. When I get off my PC, my office, I'm off. I don't respond. I don't do nothing. Just go out with the family and watch a movie or something. But these gurus tell you a lot of things that makes you dreams more like overcome. I don't know. I'm not that kind of person. I'm straight legit. I was raised in the ghetto, so I'm straight up. If you wanna be part of my team, you don't wanna be part of my team. Cool. I don't need you. You don't need me. Cool. Join other people that will scam you more. So I don't know. That's why I don't like to make videos. Cause I get into more deep what I'm seeing online. But this video I'm gonna show you how I do it on Bing Ads. Just a little sample. I'm gonna do more videos on later on. I'm gonna do more videos later on how to do it, on how I start a campaign and everything. Cause if I do it right now, you're gonna get confused, overload information. That's what happened to me. That I seen a lot of videos, I get overload information. So that's why I get confused. So I'm just gonna show you something that I do on the daily basis when I'm not really on Facebook on the daily basis like a lot of people. But you can tell that I don't post a lot. Maybe on Facebook groups. Because I have the knowledge of posting a lot. I know the coding. I know how to post and everything. But I know a lot of people don't know nothing about that. I was testing that for Facebook group for a long time. So I know everything about Facebook. Their algorithm, how they're changing and everything. But yeah, it's something different right here. It's going to be on Bing Ads. I'm going to show you something different. So what I do on Bing Ads, I just go to this site, coupons.com/ and everything, all this, and just click right here, Bing Ads. What you're gonna do on Bing Ads, you gotta create an account. After you create an account, you get $100 for free. After spending $25, pay advertising. So what you gotta do, that's what I'm teaching people, how to make a lot of Gmail's accounts. You can, like me, I can just make a right there, Ramirez. But the accounts, I'm not gonna go over this. But what it counts is the email, if it's legit. What you gotta do is go to, you gotta make a lot of Gmail accounts so you could get the $100 credit. Gmails and Hotmail, Outlook, and I never tested Outlook, but it's the same shit that Hotmail.com. But Yahoo too. It works on Yahoo too. You want to put your email on Yahoo, it works too on Bing's. But what you gotta do, what I'm doing daily on a daily basis to get a $100 credit is making accounts. It's kind of hard to make accounts right now, cause since it's been the algorithm on making emails accounts is harsh. I tried it on Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a free site, freelancers that make you. Let me show you quick. They will make you accounts for free. No, not for free. $5. That's nothing. Email accounts, but they don't make it no more since Facebook. No, sorry, Gmail. I get confused. It's been a long time since I make a video. Sorry about this. I'm getting kind of skeptical sometimes. But yeah, when you're like right here, they charge a lot for making Gmail accounts and everything. They're not even email accounts. I don't know, but they charge right now it's kind of hard to make Gmail accounts, Yahoo accounts, Hotmail accounts, a buck. But what I'm doing on a daily basis, I'm gonna show you a sample. I'm doing it manual. I don't hire Fiverr no more. I don't need Fiverr. But on Word Tools, it's something different. I'm gonna explain that right now. But what I do on a daily basis, I just make Gmail accounts, Yahoo accounts, mail.com account, hotmail.com. Every email that you can make. Since it's kind of hard to make a lot of emails at the same time, like Gmail. If you make 4, they will cancel. They will. If you make an account, they will definitely cancel that Gmail account. That's what I'm trying to say. So what you need to make a lot of Gmail accounts, you need a cell phone, not a smartphone, a cell phone, to change numbers. That's what they're looking right now, PBA. PBA stands for phone verification authorization. So that's what you need. And what else? Prepaid cards. You go on Walgreens or CB, what's it called? The other pharmacy, CVS pharmacy, Walmart, to load those prepaid cards, and that's it. So you could get that $100 credits on Big Nats. And Google too, since you're already loading the prepaid card. This works on the worldwide too, but you gotta know more tricks involved. You gotta have another different phone number. It's a different whole story, but it works. Being my business partner from Philippines, he's trying it, he's killing it. I don't know why. I didn't know it was gonna work, but it's working. So yeah, I'm selling these tricks. This trick is because $50 one time. If you wanna learn it, cool. But I'm only gonna teach a couple people, because I know if it gets saturated, it's not gonna work. So I'm only teaching a few people. I already teach 10 people. They were cool. I was testing, but I'm gonna teach another 20 people. And then maybe I'm not gonna teach nobody, because I know it's working for me. I've been testing it for a long time, since I've been cracking a lot of codes lately. But yeah, let me know if you're interested. Only serious people. I'm gonna put this on Facebook, this video, and on YouTube. So only serious people inbox me. So I will be more serious on sending you more info. Alright? Cool. Take care. Bye. Thanks for watching the video.